I'm still recording. Okay, so technically, Mickey finally got relaxed. You will show me, baby. Show me. Don't be mean, okay? 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 Okay, I think that was okay. Okay, anyway, Baby Yoda's here too. He's jealous. You jealous, baby. You jealous. You jealous. You jealous. Yeah, he's jealous. The cool thing about this is actually it's a desk. So what? This is the cool part. Ready? I moved it. That is very cool. And as you can see, if you do this, this is everything in the desk. Here, there. And then I'll show you here. That's everything in the desk. We're like literally in a desk, under a desk with Baby Yoda and Mickey, my cat. Mickey, don't take off your blanket. It's the coldest day, Bubba. I can tell he's not happy. Okay, that's why he's doing this thing. Okay, so I know it's here somewhere. I just gotta open it. Here, Mickey, can you hold the camera? Hold it. You know, I'm just gonna put it right here. I'm gonna close it. You're rolling. You're in my leg. There we go. So. I'm gonna get your little paw out. Okay, there we go. Now I'm just gonna take this off. Sorry, camera. I'm gonna leave it charging. Okay. Where's the charger? I cannot find the charger. Okay, here, yeah. Here it is. So then I'm just gonna open this and put it right there. Just leave it right there, okay? I'm gonna close it. Looks like Mickey already left. What are you doing, baby? Hey, baby, you're just a big baby. Oh, here, charger. That's not a damn charger. Where is the charger? It's not even a charger. I'm gonna have to go in the scavenger hunt for it. Okay. I brought this basket. I'm letting Mickey free. And I put bubble wrap. Where is it? Bubble wrap under it so it doesn't really make that much noise, and it's literally for like Baby Yoda. So I'm gonna do this like that, and then I'm gonna go here, grab Baby Yoda, and put him right here in the basket. And I don't for sure know what's his name, but I think it's grogu or grogu, something like that, but I think it is. Anyway, he's so cute. I bought him like a few days ago. So many people are texting. Here we go. gonna grab the string. I'm just dragging Baby Yoda. Okay, come on, Baby Yoda. We're going to look for the charger. Is there one in the bathroom? I don't think so.
Bello, are you recording?
Yeah.
For what?
I'm searching for a charger, and I found it. I finally found it.
Why do you always record?
Because I like recording, and you record. I'm just gonna put this right here. Got it. I'm gonna put it in the basket with Baby Anna.
What are you gonna do, Belle?
I'm recording about a sleepover. Bye, Dee Dee. His name's Sammy. Okay. Thank you, Baby Yoda. Now let's just plug this in. I think it's there. Plug it in. Okay, now it's charged. So, if you want, you can, my name, if you want to send a friend request to me, I'm gonna play on Friday, hopefully Friday. I don't think I'm gonna play today, but I'm gonna play Friday. If you want, you can, stay in the end of the video because I'm gonna show you my username, and you can send me a friend request in Roblox and Fortnite, okay? I do not play Minecraft. I'm just gonna place it. Oh, and yes, I am a fan of Star Wars. I can up there. I have the Millennium Falcon. I just forgot where it is. I'm gonna go get it. Oh, and I was playing with my brother Sammy. Why is it shut? Oh yes, I connected it. Okay, I'm gonna. As you can see, Mandalorian is in. I'm a fan of Mandalorian. I forgot to tape them in there. We're playing. Okay. So I'm gonna leave it right here, and I'm gonna go look for them at Millennium Falcon. Okay. There. Bye-bye. All the tools here. These are all my Star Wars characters. I'm gonna unplug it for a few seconds. So, this is 1. This is 2. It's a toy. It's not an action figure, I think it was. Probably a fell out. This is 3. This is 4. This is from Mandalorian. 5. This is the same one. That's the front. This is the back. Also Mandalorian. 6. 7. And another one. 8. From also Mandalorian. It's like these two are the same, except this is a little orange and this one's very white. And then I think we're in 8. And now 9. Although his lightsaber broke. Kylo Ren. His lightsaber broke off and the other piece is right here. I'm gonna glue it. Okay, this is the end of the video, so I'm gonna write down my username. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right here.
Então ele usou disso aí,
So this is Fortnite. Don't mind that. That was a mistake. Do not mind the dot. So it's Bella, uppercase B, E, L, L, A, no dot, space, Quinn, which is Q, U, I, N, N, and then space 25. That's my Fortnite. And Roblox is BBBL 2012, which is B-I-B-I, 2B-I, B-I. So it's B-I, B-I, and then B, E, L, L, and then 201, 2, which is 2012, or you can say 2012, which is actually 2012. Okay, so you can like this video. When it's Fortnite, I'm gonna record myself like later on today. I'm gonna do like a random skin challenge. I'm gonna choose a few skins and then I'm gonna write their names, and then let me know in the chat which one you think I should equip by Thursday. If I don't see whoever has the most votes, then I'm gonna decide, okay? So like in this video, thank you, bye. Use my username, BellaQuinn25, spaces in the item shop, okay? And use code BBBell2012 in the Roblox to purchase V-Bucks. It's very fun when you actually type it in.